Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're getting ready to do a really fun craft for this fall. We're going to be using 3 different size beads. These are big beads, medium beads, and small beads. You're going to need some jute twine, the thin kind that will fit into these smaller beads. I'm going to try some of this orange paint from Dollar Tree. Some lace that I got from Dollar Tree, thicker jute twine, and these cute little burlap leaves that I got from Dollar Tree. First thing you're going to need to do is paint the small beads. So while we're waiting on our orange beads to dry good, let's go ahead and make our tassel for our garland. So to make the tassel, just simply wrap it around your fingers. Okay, I wrapped it 4 times because this is a thicker piece of burlap, and then you want to cut it where the ends are even. So there is our first. Then you want to get your lace, and I'm just going to wrap it twice. Wrap it around and then have my ends meet. Now with some of the thinner twine, we're going to create our garland. It's sort of hard with just 2 hands. I think every woman needs about 3 or 4. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut this one since I'm running out of ways to hold it. So I want one on the front and one on the back. So we'll just put it together like that. Then I'm going to attempt to tie a little knot here without everything coming apart. Try to make all of your ends, all of your strings about the same length. We've got one, we've got it really tight, and then like I said, we're just going to tie a knot. Okay, so now we're going to cut our thicker twine. And we're going to unravel it. So you just twist it like so. This gives it more of a fringed look. Okay, now we're going to just trim it so that they're all about the same length. Now I'm going to cut this string off. So when you're finished, you should have something similar to this. And guys, I'm sorry about the darkness. Okay, and as you can see, I left the tassel onto the original string. And the reason for doing that is I'm going to just start putting my beads on at the other end. That way I won't have to try to figure out how to get this attached. Alright, so I know I have cut a lot of string, but I just want to make sure I have enough for all of my beads. And now we're going to start stringing. Going to do a large one first. Then we're going to do one of the bigger natural beads, one of the smaller natural beads, an orange bead, and sometimes if your holes are too small, just take a pair of scissors and try to make them a little bit larger. I wish my garland could be a little bit longer. I have ordered some more beads. They just haven't came in yet. I got them off of Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description of this video for the beads that I got. So with what I've got, this is the length of it. And the beaded section comes to about 16 inches. So now we want to put one of these little burlap flowers on here. Burlap leaves. You could leave your leaf this color, or you could paint it a different color. Just whatever you want to do. But for now, I'm just going to leave mine the plain. And we're going to put it onto our beads. So I've got my beads pulled pretty tight, and I'm feeding, you see this stem, I'm going to feed this stem into these end beads. To about there. Once we get it to where we want it, get some hot glue and just put some hot glue in this last bead. Then we're going to flip it over, and I'm just going to hot glue the string onto the leaf. And I'll tell you, if you have not used this, I know you can't see it, this Dollar Tree paint, it seems to be a lot better than the paint that's in the squeeze bottle. Okay, so while my leaf was drying, it's not quite dry all the way, but that's fine. I decided, I've got these little letters from Dollar Tree. I decided I was going to spell out fall, because I really want fall on this leaf. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hot glue the letters on the leaf. I think it'll be cute. So let's give it a try. See, I think that turned out really cute with the word fall. So at the end, this is what we have. Turn around so y'all can see it. Thanks for watching.